Today I am telling you in this video a very interesting love story of Kargil hero Vikram Batra and Dimple Cheema. Kargil real hero Vikram Batra and Dimple Cheema's love story will bring tears to your eyes. The duo first met at the Punjab University in 1995 in Chandigarh while pursuing MA in English. The two fell in love during their college days, professed their love for each other and decided to get hitched. Vikram wanted to join the army and left the university in the first year after clearing the CDS exam. He wanted to enroll at the Indian Military Academy. Dimple also didn't complete the course. Their bond became stronger when Vikram Batra used to return home during his breaks. During one such breaks, Vikram Batra had once held Dimple Cheema's dupatta while doing parikrama at the Mansa Devi temple and called it their marriage. This was to reassure Ed that they are meant to be together. On one occasion, he had even applied sindoor to her with his own blood before he left for the Kargil war. Dimple called it one of the most cherished memories of her life. In an interview with ET Times, Vikram Batra's brother said that Dimple wanted him to dance on their wedding day. This conversation happened between 6 days before the captain died. Post his demise, she vowed to never marry anyone else and decided to lead her entire life as his widow. Vikram Batra's brother and parents have often asked her to get married after his death, but she didn't agree. In an interview, she said that she has not felt detached from him for even a single day in the past 17 years. She feels very happy when people talk about his achievements, but she also regrets his absence because he is not physically there to listen and share the stories of his own valiant act. She called him an inspiration to the youth of our country and is certain that destiny will bring them together again. She is a school teacher by profession. Her love for Captain Vikram Batra can be gauged by the fact that she can easily recall details of her 4-year relationship with him. According to Kiara Advani, Cheema represents a modern-day Indian woman who makes her own choices and stands by them proudly. Advani met Cheema in Chandigarh before shooting the film to understand her journey. Advani says that the character of Cheema will always hold a special place in her heart. She also said that meeting Dimple made her understand the emotional journey of an army officer's partner serving the nation. According to media reports, Dimple and Vikram were in relationship for 4 years, but they could not get married, and Dimple remained lonely forever. Dimple may be living a lonely life like his widow after Vikram's departure, but her memories never allow her to be alone. After Vikram's martyrdom, Dimple did not marry anyone else, and only the moments spent with Vikram have become the basis of his life. Due to the film Shershaah, Dimple is in so much discussion, but she has not come in front of anyone till now. No one has seen her, and all she knows is that she is a teacher in a school in Chandigarh. Had someone else been there, maybe he could have cashed in on the release of the film to become famous. But Dimple has nothing to do with the limelight. She is happy in her own little world with the memories of Vikram Batra. In the existence of Dimple, Vikram has settled so much that despite his absence, Dimple feels that he is there. Perhaps even if she would have looked at herself in the mirror. Referring to her meeting with Dimple, Kiara, who played Dimple in an interview, said, "When I met Dimple, I felt as if she was feeling Vikram around." She also said that she has a lot of complaints with Vikram, but somehow she will get them together and remove their grievance. In an interview, Vikram Batra's parents said that they, along with Dimple Chima's parents, tried to convince her to get married and settle down after Captain Batra died in Kargil War. But she stressed that she wants to live with the Vikram's memories. Captain Batra's father told a leading daily in Hindi, "As long as my child is not going on the wrong track, I have always been a liberal father." Vikram had told us about Dimple and their intention of getting married. "I told him that I was with them in their decision. I knew from the start that Dimple is a very respectful girl who understands relationship." He said that he asked Captain Batra if he was sure that he wanted to marry Dimple, and after he had been assured of the relationship's seriousness, he gave his consent. After the Kargil War, we told her to get married as she has a life ahead. Her parents too told her the same thing, but she told us that she would not get married and live the rest of her life with Vikram's memories, he continued. He said that Dimple calls them once or twice a year, especially on birthday, and that is extent of their communication. Kiara, in a recent interview to Middays, said that Dimple was moved by the film's song. "I messaged her after the film that this is an emotional movie for her. I want to respect her privacy right now." When I met Captain Batra's family after the film, they said I was exactly like Dimple. That moved me to tears. I know the songs have deeply touched her.